Brother's reflection is gone for. What are you? Hiya. Hiya, darling. What is it? Remember, he's on pretty hungry as well. Every time he gets to come through and all that. Desensitised, I mean. He's scared when he first comes through again. It's crazy. But it's working slowly but surely. But he's like, honestly, I asked him to stay in his room the now until I got the doors open and that and everything. So and you can, he did. And he came walking through like he had a right wee swagger. He's just beautiful. I can't believe this. The love of a cat. I love it. I absolutely love it.